from here. No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is only one thing on my mind. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new.
Hey guys, my name is Shirley, or you guys call me Prissyshay. Today's video is gonna be a makeup tutorial. I'm gonna be using my new Juvias palette from the Wahala 2 Juvias palette. This is a new one that just came out. I didn't get the first one because that sold out really fast. I feel like, hey, why not get the Wahala 2? I feel like this palette is more better than the first one. It looks more prettier. I have more colors, more matte, bold colors, more glitter. I really love Juvias. I've been using a lot of their palettes. I like the way it's very pigmented, and I like the way it's smooth out, you know, my eyes. I like the way the color be so bold and beautiful. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the color. Look how beautiful this is. Like, come on, like all the greens, all the blue. Look at this gold color. Like, come on, like, look at this. This is what I'm using right now. I don't know if you guys can see. This is what I'm using right now, the inner of my eyes. This is the color I'm using as well. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. So iridescent type purple. Like the browns, the golds, the green, the purple. Like, look at the glitter. Like, look at this. So pigmented, y'all. Look at this. So pretty. So yeah, I'm going to be using this palette throughout this tutorial. So make sure you guys subscribe. Click on notification bell to be up to my videos. Like, comment, you know, tell a friend about my channel. And if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, so stay tuned.
Before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my, I just wanna see you. I can do my thing, 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 I can do Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is only one thing on my mind. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. I can do my, I can do my, I can do my own thing. I can do my thing, I can do my, I can do my, I can do my own thing. I can do my thing, I can do crave before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you all night. I just wanna see you, baby. I can do my head out. I can do my thing. I can do my head out. I can do my I can do my I can do my thing. I can do my what I do. I can do my way. I can do my I can do my thing. I can do my I can do my way. I can do my I can do my thing. I can do my I can do my I can do my I can do my Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is only one thing on my mind. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around.